You guys remember my new fridge? So stinking cute. Bloom sent me some of their newest energy drinks. I'm gonna do a little restock and a taste test. It's called Glacier Crush. It has 0 sugar and it's natural caffeine. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm kind of picky when it comes to my energy drinks. As a teacher, I always have to have something as that midday pick-me-up. Okay, ASMR. I actually think that wasn't too bad. It's actually really good. I wish I had said this out loud because I feel like my predictions came through. I was kind of thinking that I will get cherry notes, and that is exactly what I'm getting. It's like a cherry slushie. I have to do that. Okay, let's finish restocking. Oh, cute.